Emergency, which service do you require?
I need the beard, please.
An officer is in pursuit.
Thank you.
Freeze! It's a grooming emergency.
Me?
Yeah, you with the beard. Step aside, ma'am. Patchy, scruffy, food crumbs, that a potato chip? Walking around on a date like this? Who you think you are?
I didn't know.
You look like a bum. That's a code 369 bum beard in public.
A code what?
Beard neglect. First offense. Ma'am, you've been very brave. You deserve better than this.
He's not wrong.
I'm citing you for public grooming negligence.
Is that even a real thing?
Oh, it's real.
It's not that bad.
Ma'am, please. It's that bad. You're lucky this is your first offense. I could take you in right now.
Okay. What am I meant to do?
Relax, rookie. I'm not here to cuff you. I'm here to help you. I've got the date night beard kit from the Beard Struggle. Shower with body wash. Use beard wash, gets rid of dirt, grime, whatever that is. Hydration. Beard oil makes it smooth, soft, irresistible. Bam! This is how you sculpt a masterpiece. Just like 𝗪𝗁𝘁'𝘀.
Is this the same guy?
Yes, ma'am. Valentine's by the Beard Struggle. Last touch, concentrated cologne oil. Get the date night beard kit, get the free beard wipes. Gentlemen, make sure you get date night ready.